A very good morning. This is Engineer Amir Sultan Rana, CEO of QHSE Business International. Today I will be telling you about the HSE Risk Assessment. HSE Risk Assessment is very important and integral part of an occupational health and safety management system such as ISO 45001 2018. It has to be done appropriately. It can be applied for NIBOSH and other standards and other things, but this is very important and HSE Risk Assessment need to be done properly. And in HSE Risk Assessment, there are two tables. One is likelihood and one is 70, and there is a matrix according to that when the risk hazard is evaluated. If you see a hazard, for example, that some person is working at height and he's not wearing the safety harness, then likelihood will say that the person can have a severe injury if that person fell down from that top place, and the 70 can be that he can go to the hospital. So if from the tables you can say, take the ranking of the likelihood. For example, it is a matrix of 5, 1 2 3 4 5 can be 4, and in the like 70 it's going to the hospital can be as a 5. And when then you put that values of the table into the matrix, you will see that it should become the high risk activity comes down. So then when the high risk activity comes down, then the control measures need to be applied properly, such as for this, the person should have a proper safety harness whenever he has to work. He should have been proper trained. He should be competent. He should use all the required PPE such as safety shoes, also safety gloves or the goggles, safety clothing, safety helmet, and these same things. Person should have a contact details, number of walkie-talkie with the person who is at the floor, the safety person. The person should know about the emergency numbers. The person should know that when to take the rest breaks if the work is quite long for that. The permit should be filled up. So these things need to be done. Such as I'm telling you when I'm telling you about this assessment. This is just I'm told you that how it is done and how then the control measures are applied when any of the issue has been highlighted. So for all the highlighted things like likelihood at 70, things are taken down, and then that put in the metrics and the value of the hazard comes down, and then the control measures are applied. When the control measures are applied, then after that then need to check again the risk level, the what is the residual risk level left after all the control measures applied, what risk level is still present, and if it has been gone away, then it is the best thing. That if the risk has been controlled in proper way. So in this way, that HSE risk assessment is done in a proper way, and it can be calculated for all the things which are present in the organization, for all the places it has to be done, and it has to be done properly. So if you need more details, if you need more information, you can contact me from anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can reach me on my email also at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com, Amir Sultan Rana at yahoo.com. Thank you so much.